أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. I seek refuge with Allah from accused shaitan devil. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Master of day of judgment, it is you we worship and you we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who earned your anger, nor those who have gone astray. Thank you.